Hello everyone, let's take a detailed look at how to install and use the accessory kit of ANDELI MIG 145AIR. MIG torch assembly. Select the appropriate contact tip based on your wire diameter and install it. Put on the nozzle over the tip. Your MIG torch is now fully assembled. Gas MIG welding setup. Remove the feed roller. Check whether it's installed properly. The size marking matching your wire diameter should face outward. Pull out the steel welding wire. Trim off any curved section. Thread the wire through the feed mechanism. Lift and secure the wire pressure lever. Remove the spool retainer clip. Mount the spool. Reinstall the retainer clip. Connect torch to dedicated MIG port. Attach torch air hose to front gas inlet. Plug control cable to control port. Connect shorting plug to positive plus terminal. Connect ground clamp to negative terminal and secure to workpiece or metal surface. Connect gas hose from machine rear to CO2 mixed gas regulator. Open gas cylinder valve. Set gas flow to approximately 10 liters per minute. Plug in power cable. Switch on machine. In MIG mode, press wire feed button to feed the wire, or hold torch trigger in MIG mode for automatic feeding. Maintain 1 to 2 cm wire extension beyond nozzle. Flux scored MIG setup. Install flux scored wire. Connect torch to MIG port. Connect shorting plug to negative terminal. Connect control cable to control port. Connect ground clamp to positive plus terminal. MMA welding setup. Connect ground clamp to negative terminal. Connect electrode holder to positive plus terminal. Lift TIG setup. Connect ground clamp to positive plus terminal. Connect TIG torch to negative terminal. Connect torch gas hose to argon regulator. Open gas cylinder valve. Set gas flow to approximately 10 liters per minute. This is the installation instruction of the accessory kit for ANDELI MIG 145AIR.